Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrology Healing. In this video, we're going to see combinations for people getting addicted to gambling, lottery, or anybody trying to spend money in a way they can get quick gains. Stocks is also one of them. However, if you are doing it again and again and still continuing after a lot of losses, then it comes under addiction. Right now, I am here at the Caesars Casino in Atlantic City, which is one of the biggest places of having slot machines. Usually in astrology, the sign Scorpio and nakshatras of Rahu like Ardra as well as Astrology denote your extreme tendencies. In Scorpio, Jyestha usually is seen displaying the characteristics of going extreme. If in your horoscope conjunctions of your ascendant or your moon with Rahu or Ketu or even Venus, sometimes people can go limitless in terms of earning money by any means in short time, short duration by using sometimes ways that are difficult to recover money. So if you have these nakshatras, be careful about how much you spend, how you spend, and typically when you are dealing with slot machines or lottery, if you need any help, any support in stopping that, the excess, contact a therapist, contact your doctor, they'll be able to guide you. These machines are these means of earning money like lottery or even any kind of gambling can give you quick money. However, it comes always with some cost because this is a sudden thing happening with Rahu and Ketu, and usually when it happens, you may have some sorrow, some pain in your personal life. Usually I see combinations of people who earn a lot this way suddenly, but they have some issue or another troubling them. Your third house is about feeling anxious or feeling courageous. If you have good planets placed there, you feel good about yourself. If ascendant Lord is placed in the third house with a malefic aspect, people do not have enough self-esteem, and it denotes higher chances of them taking up something like gambling or buying lottery tickets often and losing a lot of money. If you are one of those who have these combinations, seek support as early as you can. This is your best way to make sure you are not losing money, you are not losing any love of your life, and you are supporting your family in the best way. Usually casinos are like heavens in a different way. It is about the best interior, the best food, best wine, best meat available so that people come there, spend money. This is all the Venus energy active. However, Venus in the 8th house, Venus in Scorpio also denotes such type of money. People who have combination of 11th and 2nd house with Venus and Scorpio sign or nakshatras in Scorpio can gain money like this. At the same time, if they have combinations of Ketu and Venus, then they can lose money like this suddenly. If you are someone who enjoys these things and it is bringing suffering in your life, it is time to use the nakshatra like Kritika or Bharani, where you can decide to not to do it, stop it and let it go. If somebody has Rohini moon conjunct Rahu, these people also love going to the places where there is gambling or any activity that is related to Venus. And these are usually activities that are going to make them lose money quite fast. Rohini people will get the best of it. Even Swati Nakshatra people will get the best of amenities in the casinos or the place they visit. But you need to be really careful about what you are signing up for. This is a great place if you know when to stop. And when to stop is the most critical part of Rahu. Rahu nakshatras make you lose your control, make you lose of your peace of mind, and then keep on going. Be careful, make sure you do your best and don't do any excess, because this is like you are seeing the stars during the day, and seeing stars is not that easy. It is all Maya of Rahu that gives you some false inclination to make you do betting, sports betting, use the slot machines, play cards, like games like rummy or poker, but obviously where you put on money and lose. Gambling is one of the very old professions or tricks that is used where people lose sudden money. Casinos usually have big theaters, big malls, great food, wine, so that people come there, spend their time and spend their money. Venus nakshatras are usually active, and another nakshatra that can be active is Vishakha, which is in the Scorpio sign. Anuradha people usually go together, have fun. However, you have to make sure you do your best when you are using these energies. Usually stopping becomes very hard. What is the cure for it? You can do japa of Rahu or Ketu. You can always do japa of Ma Durga. You can also donate to the blind people, because Venus usually rules over people who do anything blindly. And it recovers if you wear white color and you donate and help people who cannot see, who are handicapped. And Saturn also improves, gives you lot of patience, lot of ability to stop things. You can see the slot machines behind me, and just be careful. This is not the area where you go and spend your all earnings. This is the place where you can go if you can stop. Keep watching these videos. I am in Atlantic City, New Jersey right now, and I will start a series that will show you a glimpse of the city. Thank you for supporting this challenge. Namaste. Thank you. Shubham Astu.